I thought I'll start this vlog now. We're leaving for Sicily tomorrow. The flight is around 8, I believe. And you guys know that I will, of course, bring you along. I think it'll be a pretty fun trip. Both me and my boyfriend are from the same hometown, and so we'll fly together, but then we'll both staying in our own places, and then, you know, we'll meet up every once in a while. I got quite a few things planned actually, and this is the first time of me going to Sicily and having a social life, I guess. My best friend is in town, my cousins are also flying there, and so I'll get to see the little Emma. I'm actually quite excited, not gonna lie. I mean, I'm not too sure about what to pack and what to wear to the airport, but this is today's fit, if anyone cared. I got this little set from H&M and I'm obsessed. Like, this is what I'm dealing with. Yes, I'm bringing a lot of bagels. This is the pile of clothes that I'm thinking about bringing. I mean, I told you guys that the little Emma is gonna be there, so I got a couple of things for her, which I'll show you in a sec. And then the following day, so we arrive on the 27th, and the 28th is actually my mom's birthday, so I got a few bits for her as well. So I just wanted to show you guys the bits that I got for the little Emma. I got this little guy from H&M, like how cute is that? Then this little sparkling bag is from Primark, and this little set I got from Zara. I'm literally obsessed with it. I also got this bag from Typo to put everything inside, but I think I'm gonna actually pack the present once I land. And then these are the bits that I got for mom. So I got this little birthday card. Then I got her Lochis, she loves these. These anti-wrinkle cream, which I actually got for the Superdrug event, but clearly I'm too young for it, so I'm gonna give it to mom. Then I got her these coffee seeds so that she can make her own plant. And this one right here is a little vase. She's been obsessed with my coffee plant in my little vase, so I got her the exact same one. But like, how cute is it? Her name is Byee, by the way. I got high hopes with the seeds because I got the sunflower one and they turned out great. I mean, my first sunflower is kind of dead, but the plant itself is doing pretty good. So I'm nowhere near finishing packing, and also I'm not really sure what to bring, but we're gonna wrap the presents first. I'm not sure I got tape. Nice. Perfect. Summer rain on a window. Okay, time to close this bad boy up. It's heavy, yeah?
That's why I need to do it.
Ah, 50. Bye, house. Ti sembra il broncio? Alright, so we panicked for a hot second because we couldn't find the bus stop, but we're good.
Take apart all the good things. So away what's there to do.
Important safety information.
Remember, I'm so sorry.
Shiro.
Ah. Fucking finally, mate.
Hey, I'm sorry for dreaming about the future. Hey, I'm
So, sto cercando di fare un video. So, update my flight.
La situazione è tragica.
So, update, we landed super late, run to Palermo to get my cousins, and guess what, our flight is also late, and so now we need to wait like half an hour or more for them to get here. I'm so tired, I'm literally losing my mind. Ciao! Ciao! Ciao!